Another product that I'm unboxing today is Humidifier. It actually has several features beside Humidifier, which is it diffuses oil. Although I'm not sure how it works. As you can see over there, I just happened to purchase a diffuser from Costco, and this is also from Costco. This one has cool mist. It works for 100 hours. You can put up to 1.5 gallon tank of water, and it's from Pureguardian, the company which I like, because prior to this I bought one of the humidifier from Bioneer. Didn't last long, and that was my second unit. I do have air purifier from Pureguardian, which I believe I bought back in 2013, and still going great. So based on that product, I decided to give another shot at Pureguardian for this product over here. Currently it's rated 4.5 on Costco, and I believe Costco I paid $100 Canadian. And just to show you, so over here, the humidifier, which is the first item on the list, $99.99 plus tax. And if I could show you on Amazon, it's currently selling for $150, this item. So you save $50, and it's not only that. I have from buying Costco, I don't happen to like it. Not necessarily it's not functioning, but I don't happen to like it how it performs or XY reason. I can return it in 90 days at Costco, just because I don't like it. Yes, there's Costco membership, but things you buy from Costco and the amount of money you save, like this item alone, you're saving $50 if you buy from Costco versus if you buy from Amazon. I can return it in 90 days. Amazon, you cannot return to Amazon after 30 days. And most other stores like Best Buy, Walmart, 30 days, forget it. And if something happens within 1 year, I can still bring it back to Costco and they'll take it back with manufacturing warranty. They'll refund me if I do not do an exchange. Normally they would say, okay, 1 year you can bring it back. If they carry the same product, they'll make you exchange the product. But if they don't happen to have the product, sometimes depends which kind of product, they can sell it for repair. Not sell it for repair, but I meant to say send it for repair. And if it's not repairable, then you get your refund. So let's unbox this. Normal tape that they used. One more thing before I unbox, I might want to show you how it looks, the boxing. Before unboxing, let's look at the box. So I'm not gonna show the four side because you're gonna see two side is English and two side is in French. We happen to be in Quebec and everything has to be bilingual. So this side you see the front, 100 hours of cool mist tower humidifier, aroma diffuser, enhanced comfort, quick relief, silver clean protection. Not sure what it means, but whatever. Fights growth of mold, mildew on surface of the water tank. Many reviews that I read on Amazon or Costco that they had some kind of leak. For safety measure, I would always say, you buy some kind of bin and place your humidifier, or I even have it for my dehumidifier. I put them over a bin, so anytime if it leaks, it doesn't leak on your floor. You just cannot take chances with any good reviews. Just to be safe, you can take those steps. This happened to be Pureguardian, the model H3200 WAR. Again, it's repeating the same information that you saw on the other side. And you see, I'm not sure if it's a real family. I'm sure it's just posers marketing. Don't happen to be, you know, okay, no comments on that. Night light cool mist must be one of the features. Timer 3-speed control, silver clean protection, large 1.5 gallon tank, aroma scent tray and pad, auto shut off when empty. Good feature. This thing, do I have to buy these pads in future? I'm not a fan of buying accessories, you know, I try to avoid them because they cost a lot. Any kind of accessories. I have my air purifier, which is about $100, but if I happen to buy those filters, they cost like $40 a filter. It's like one of those printer you buy the printer for $60, then you want to change the ink, and the ink itself costs $40. So not sure how they market those products. Creating a better home environment. Okay, ultra quiet, ultra quick, ultra easy, and it does come with essential oil. No, it doesn't. Essential oil and replacement pads sold separately. Okay, so yeah, there is no essential oil that comes with this. And did I mention it's for small and medium rooms? So if you have a large room, a large condo, don't think that it's gonna humidify your entire condominium or your entire house. So it says for small and medium room, so I'll stick to a room instead of, you know, mentioning, you know, small home or something. Okay, as I open this, there's some information. So okay, what does it say? So line of products they have as humidifier. I happen to have this air purifier, which is great. Actually, I'm showing you guys the other side. So yeah, I happen to have this air purifier, and I think the latest model, I think this is some kind of heater or something, but they have air purifier which looks like this. I have seen at Costco. Beside that, this humidifier is pretty popular on Amazon. They sell it for, I believe, $2 for $110. So you can set them up in 2 different rooms. But I do not see the picture of this particular product because it's already here. So that's it, the line of products. And over here, do I have to use mineral water, or what does it say? Okay, are minerals in your water producing white dust? So they're telling you to use some kind of product, most probably for your water. So it's some kind of filter. How does it work? So it says, if I can read it, humidifier decalcification cartridge. Okay, so it does look like most probably this humidifier here, it comes with that filter, which I might need to change. Now it brings me to the question, how much does that thing cost? Okay, so as you open the box, you have thank you note. And thank you for choosing Guardian technology. Alright. Inside, welcome to the family. Really. Rewards are in the plain air. Instant rewards, $10 gift card, exclusive discount. So if you go on their website, which is genuineguardian.com, rewards. For that, you have to buy it from their website, I believe. Happy, rate them, need help. This is their customer service number. And you see another Caucasian family enjoying this humidifier or air purifier. Okay, picture of pets, that's cute. So it's telling you it's pet friendly most probably, and creating a better home environment. We are here for you, again, customer service, social airwaves, and that's it. That's the end of their thank you note. I'm not sure why I spend my time reading that, if it's important for you guys. So you have use and care instruction, so guide. It has 3 years limited warranty, good to know. So that means I get to bring it to Costco within 3 years. I don't have to deal with them directly. Okay, I'm not gonna read this. Product specification and parts. Control panel. It's telling you power indicator. You have timer, mist control, night light, power indicator, refill indicator light, night light indicator light. When you have time, you can read through that. And on this side, on the piece on the right, that must be your water bucket, which holds the water, and you fill it in, then you just station it on your humidifier, similar to Bioneer, which I had. So yeah, it's telling you how to place it. Okay, you get the idea. I'm not gonna do an instructions video. And this is your cleaning instruction. So yes, if you want to maintain it, and use it over, long time, then of course you just cannot keep pouring that water and use it, because it's gonna build some scale, and you're gonna see it's not gonna function, or it's gonna smell funny. And then troubleshooting guide. Then you have the guide itself in French. Oh my god, okay. Okay, so I believe this is the piece that goes on your water bucket. Once it's filled, you just tighten it to close it. And I can see the power plug that's hanging. So this, okay. I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay. It's not that big, it's not small either. If you're used to one of those Vicks humidifier, which is pretty small, you can set it up by your bedside. But this is quite big, you put it in your room, yes, people's gonna notice it, but people notice my air purifier. So I believe it's a 10-inch tablet, 10-inch or 8-inch, no, that's a 9-inch tablet, and you can see how big it is. maybe 2.5, so that's like what, 22, 23 inches in height. And I'm just gonna show you. So the unit itself on the top, maybe you cannot see it on the video, but yes, these are very, very light, you know. It's hard to read. Actually, yeah, you can read them. Over here it shows gray circle, but they're not exactly gray. It depends from which angle I'm holding, but they're kind of silver. Actually, this color. If I'm looking at them right now, but on the video, like this one, it shows gray. They're not exactly gray. And I'm not sure what is this. Some kind of control, most probably. In the front you have Pureguardian. What I'm thinking, how much is gonna get dirty, because it's white. Make sure when you want to remove this piece, you remove these tapes, which is holding both pieces together. I don't know what it is supposed to be. I'll look in the guide. And this one, most probably it goes with this piece over here. And you have the oil tray, which is here. Oh, okay, I know. So this is supposed to be your essential oil pad kind of thing, that you're gonna, it goes there and you put your essential oil on it, and it will be used to diffuse the oil in the air. I don't think I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna check out the prices for this, you know, and how long it lasts. Then I'm gonna use them. I'll see how is the performance. Comes out very easy. Okay, so I believe, like other humidifier I have seen, this goes here. I don't think you fill your water through this, but this should go here. Usually this is not a movable piece, but okay, let's put it here. And let's see, what is this? This is open, this side is closed. So usually you fill your water through this. I'm just gonna fill tank water, only no scents, oils, gels in the tank. Or minerals in your water, then you could buy one of those filters. So to me it looks like you don't need to buy that filter necessarily, which is good news. So once you fill in your water and you make sure you tighten it, you don't move, and usually you can hold it with water refilled. This piece goes first. If I'm doing it right, am I? Okay. What am I doing wrong? Did I forget to remove something? No, it was simple. I thought I had to push it in, but no, just tip it over. Just leave it as simple as just leave it like this. Don't push, nothing. Just leave it like this. And it should go there. That's it. Enjoy your new humidifier if you happen to buy this. I'll post a video once I set it up. Today is just unboxing. Peace. I'm back again. So what I can see over here, that this piece over here, this goes inside the water tank itself, but it's like a tube, and to me it looks like wow, okay, there's a sticker for QC pass. Most probably stands for Quebec pass, so it did pass Quebec certification or something. So this goes from here, this piece, which is like a tube, and I believe this is connected with your essential oil diffuser over here, this piece, or this one, I'm not sure. And the oil must travel through this, and I'm not sure if you can see the tube. There's a long tube inside, so oil must travel through this and come up over here in order to diffuse the oil. So pretty interesting. Okay, I'm gonna need some kind of special training to place this.